Hello everyone and welcome to another customer service training video. My name is Tal Schnell. I'm your customer service coach, speaker, and mentor, and today I'm excited to talk about how customer service leaders lead by example and model the behavior they want to see in their organization. And this is a great topic for everyone because I think that the more we can model and lead by example, the more people can be inspired by our leadership. And I want to define for you what I see when I talk about visionary leadership. I'm talking about what we see. And that's what we need more of, is the modeling and leadership by example. And this is great because there are so many people in my life that have demonstrated leadership by example when it comes to the customer experience. And what that means is that they were engaging with the customer every day, they were engaging with their employees every day, and they were part of creating memories for people. And that's what it's about. It's positive, lasting memories that our managers and our team leads and our everyone in the organization can think about. And they are part of that positive lasting memory for that customer. And of course, what we have to do as leaders, we have to model the way and show the way. I can tell you that I had mentors who continuously mentor me to become that example, because I think what it does for all of us, it gives us a sense, it gives us a vision, it gives us a visual example of the values that leaders are sharing with our team. So I want to turn this to you, and how does this reflecting on your leadership and what you can do today if you're in the customer service business, if you want to create customer experiences not only for your customers but also for your team. And this is very valuable because that's what our team is looking for in us, and each and every day is to show the way and model the way. And think about visionary leadership is the visualization of your leadership that happens every day. So as a leader, what you want to think about is your values first. And once you identify those values, you got to think, how am I going to live those values that we all share together, and how am I going to model those behaviors? And truly, if those values speak to you and those values really mean something to you and they mean something for your organization, then you'll find out that leaders are walking the talk. And that's what this video is about, is walking the talk, because there are a lot of things that we can talk about in customer experience, and there's a lot of stories and there's a lot of textbook examples, but the reality of it is that we have to create more stories for our company. We have to be the storytellers and the heroes of those stories. The other day I shared with you an example of the #1 employee in our organization who was the ambassador of the year, and it wasn't through talking, it was through her deeds, the courage for her to perform each and every day and do the things that create those memorable moments for our customers, because our customers are telling us about what someone did but not what somebody said. So be thinking about that for your own leadership, and how do you want to model the way and show the way, because it is the most powerful thing you can do as a leader, and people can connect, which is the other aspect of positive leadership, is that when people can connect to your vision and your values in a way that you're demonstrating that by walking the talk, by modeling that behavior, the more congruence and the more integrity and the more trust there is with your behavior, because people will go back to your behavior and the results that you produce and the stories that you create and the things that you're doing in a positive way in your organization today. So hopefully this video that I shared with you today creates a reflection for you and value for you as a leader to be thinking about. And again, you may not be necessarily in a customer service industry, you may be in another industry that can really, you can take it to the next level. And it requires reflection, it requires for you to think about these things before you take action. And once you take action, that action will speak louder than words. So this is what I challenge you today about, is to create memorable, positive, lasting memories for your organization, customers, internal customers and external customers. When you do that, that's when you model the way and show the way. So I appreciate everyone tuning in. If you have some feedback for me, I'd love to hear from you, and I thank you for watching another Customer Service Champions training video. Take care and have yourself a great afternoon.